Patisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
St. Francis DSCC Higher Secondary School mau kasyang Claraki Independence Day hakabosi am berim jong ke HEDC bapanya sing sim ublalong kumukongsan ula penheri kalama lairong jonggri India ringkat ke jingnon lang jong principal ke school brother Vinod Joseph u vice principal kinuhikai kikina school kikmi kikpa jong kikina school bakinuhilam jogishnong mau kasyang Kabakampin shop biye jaki mi kpagar ke jingrwai bagi jing shar nalo ke jing shimbenta jongi khinna school haga drama lingkot ka pin I ke jing hierthma jongi shipai India yaki le no kbele ke kampin dream ha pehelgam dangshan menta usnam arajar arposan
Not just a commemoration of the past, it is a reaffirmation of our commitment to build a future worthy of those sacrifices. The saffron of our flag reminds us of the courage and sacrifice. The white calls for peace and truth. The green inspires faith and growth. At its heart, the Ashoka Chakra stands as a constant reminder of justice and righteousness. As a nation, India today stands proudly as the fifth largest economy in the world and one of the top military powers globally, evidence to our resistance, innovation and determination.
Join for the national anthem.
Followed by the Yellow House, led by the commander Francis Lampang Karmauplang, the placard bearer Eliza Dona Nongspung, the flag bearer Isabella Suting. The Green House, led by the commander Bats Kems Im, the placard bearer Lakerku Kerpang Nongbet, the Blue House, led by the commander Pinbianglang Lingdo Nongbri, the placard bearer Alvega Mary Sawian, the Red House, led by the commander Zachary Pengro, the placard bearer Gelisha Nongspong, Frida Sherkon, the flag bearer Meban Pinskem Sortun.
ka ka bangakwa ban penslo hani kapor hapadeng jong pi baro habakum ka ni kasngi like luat ka buyong kasngi Independence Day kalong ba tongin ya phai pat shadin ya ka history shapang kari ka jongi larangin phai shadin nyo ku khandai snam menshwa kumno bakari India kayo ka jinglai luat na ka jinsin shal jongki sahab kata ka colonial British rule but kani kadai kabangi ngin kinmau hadu gini giski kalong day namar ka jing tray shikom ka jing IT lut kata ka commitment lene kata ka jing len na dia kata ka sacrifice kumlapan snow di brother haka speech ke jongi principal brother kata ka sacrifice jong ki leaders ke jongi ki bamenshwa kum joy Mahatma Gandhi but ki leaders khamtam ngin kenmau bangi puli ke history ka jing ki balayalam joy Mahatma Gandhi kalong non violence but kata ka sacrifice ke jongki ke commitment ke jongki hak itu kisnam kalau penlong ya ke jinsin shar jongki British ban ran no shadin ban IT no ya ke nika re India bangin yo sin shar daladi hadin kata isayo ya ke Constitution of India kaya kata ke Constitution kariti sensyar kabla aibor hani kumno ban govern kumno ban sensyar ikari India paro ngidon ka parliament ngidon ka assembly ngidon ki district council but hakari India ni ong bang ngiyo kata ka demokrasi ka sensyar pat ba kamdei kum kiwe pat kiri kiba don ki nong sensyar nong sensyar don bor Henry Hatni ngiyo ke jinsin syarpat ba kata ka demokrasi. But haka demokrasi ngidan lightly ki pillars. Dan kita ki mau bersiul ni ki payah ki ba penlong ya kari jungi ban scam. Kata deka legislative power ngiyo ya ka executive power but ka judiciary power. Kini ki payah ki penlong ya kari jungi kumban long nata. In fact, nidon ka Supreme Court, ka Honorable Supreme Court of India, nidon ki state high courts, nidon ki district courts, kita di ki judiciary. But ka executive, nidon ka secretariat, nidon ki office jong ki district council, ki department of affair. Kini baru ki penlong ya kari jungi panlong tumni de namar bangila yo e kajing lai lu mensyua kamlong punta de ke bang akwa panong habangila kenjo yo ni usnam ubah nyuk khnai kajing lai lu ladangi phai ya kas hostnam ka ban mensyua bat mamenta kla bon bha kajing kala hakaroi kapal ki development ni kajing wan jong kita ki infrastructure development ki repair lada kilong haki sector repair ki government sector, public undertaking sector, private sector, ki companies ki lawan ban invest ban sengi ki jong companies ni ban long kalat yo kam yo jam ye ki samla kum tak ni dan du ke infrastructure nam ta ki sports activities repair ki entertainment activities repair kay ka mga kwa banong kalong batong ngin yo jihikai na kini ki leaders ki jungi ki nongelam ki jungi ki bamdan syu bat ni menta henry ki bala penyo yengi ya kejing lai lu ka sacrifice ke jungi hapadeng ki babon ki jing le kita ki deng pingkyang lani ki challenges ki babon hak itu ki senam bangin shim personally yanga dingi lang baro hamni ya pi baro kum ki students ki kelas 10, kelas 9 dan kelas 10 hadu 11, 12 ngin pen ngila stang sutu ngin sutu individually ngidan em ki challenge ki jumi nang bangin yo mensim na kini ki leaders jungi dan ki leaders jungi ki kun kat ban yo independence ya gari India kat no tambale mga shimet ngamla ban trishtam ban commit namenta ban puli bha hagi exams iba per ngin long kinong job ngan wan syakmat hagi exams iba per hanta pinsa dan kataka jingi kataka lawai keba pernai bar pinyo khenyu so jok jingjok ki leaders jungi kamdei ba ki shudawa kumbai iba hanta ngi dawa ILP ban yo no ILP ban syaru ki dawa ban yo independence ki hamdan ni ki non violence movement ki jingi ki paper kamut ba ki tang sisian layo independence kari India ki bun ki challenge nama ta kata hangi ka jingim jungi marwai ki bun ki challenge ngim dai ban overcome ngim dai ban overcome ya kita ka challenge ka ba ni kendo bat bangin salong mano hakoi kasi la banlong engineers, doctors, politicians, la banlong ki entrepreneurs, banlong successful businessman, businesswoman, bat kumtan tante. Bat ngan so ba ngan ai men CMP kamtam tu mentangi i ki development of here haka jingelam prime minister jungi Modi bat menta kelalong kawai naka ri hapok keperthai ka balong kebaklaim ka kai ka patek bat niru haka state Meghalaya nila kenjo sampus nam haka jilam jun sarkanra chief minister naso banong ba ibon bhaki activities la wanra haka state jungi banong ka jikun ku yengi baro na pedeng jong pila shai pindala pass bha haki exam pinda koi shaki degree la graduate kamut baro pinya yo kam sarkar Blay ula jiet EP haki jaka baper. Blay un sabu EP jaka baper. Pila banlong pimnam tip pila banlong kino ki balong successful citizen la banlong ki responsible citizen findan haki kino ki jaka baper ki balong ka jimentoy ya kari gitu ni kwa baparo na pi balong ki assets nam ta kari India nam ta ka state. But ni bon ki activities bahwa jingilam jong chief minister jungi lawan ra nam tagi sports kamtam kitu ki badan sap ki sports menta ka sports policy kelajan urlong but kumno ban ai kala kelenti ki have ki baret ki kena school ki jungi ki basuthu badan sap ka sports ki yo ro ka sports ki entertainment but ki ki sector ki baro ba nakalian kejumpi dan common threshold but hakani kajuk nanta this generation kalau very competitive kabun ha competition but the common threshold ken mau tang away kum ki banget ni dan yo play ban yalam ini ban ibor ini ban scam ini haki jihad itu but kiarna ki jingmelian basniu tak kata kinsalong Rio haka jingin